All right. This video, I'm going to be covering over how to get the presets onto your EA software. So you might notice some of the set files are going to be posted inside of the set files group here, whether it be someone shares it or like the EA set files here. So let's say if you wanted to come here and maybe download this one right here. So Auto Market Masters currencies 1010 100K account. So if you see it's a .set, this is a set file that you can load in. So you just click on it to start the download. Now that it's downloaded, you want to open up MT4. So I'm going to go and open up my folder here, go to MT4 portable. All right, so now that it's loaded, so what you'll want to do is when your EA is loaded onto your chart, there's going to be a load button right here. So this is where you want to load in your settings or what's called presets. So you want to click load. And so this is where you can go ahead and drag that file into this folder right here. Now you can see that it's loaded on there. So you can do this with as many of them. You can also right click, copy and paste it into this folder. Or you can also, if you're on the VPS, you can paste it by right clicking on your computer file and then pasting it onto the VPS, which is pretty nice. So that's one way. I would say one of the easiest ways is by loading it. The other way, which is a little bit more complicated, you have to go to File, Open Data Folder. Then you go to MQL4. Then you go to Presets. And right here, that's that same area where you would go here and you paste in your preset. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. If you did download the EA from that folder, there will be presets already loaded in there. So you should find them in without having to copy paste. But inside of the Discord, you might find some files that are not in there. So make sure to download them, test them. You know, that's really the main thing there. Just giving you set files that other users are using or things that we have figured out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I would say one other thing, when you load in your file, let's say if I wanted to load this one here. All right, and maybe I might make slight adjustments. So maybe I want to change the lot size to maybe not 0.25, maybe 0.20. Okay, and I can have my serial key added in there. And then so you can save your set file by clicking here, save. And let's say I want to call this one test set file for 0.20 lot instead of 0.25. All right, so I click save. Now you can see that it's going to be a set file here. So if I want to share this within the group, let's say I go into shared set files here, and I want to drag this file onto the Discord. So I just load it in, and you can see I can now share this. This is a test. And now I'm submitting it inside of this shared EA set files area. So that's how you can share your set files if you find something that's good, and then also to load it in. If you have any questions, reach out to support. We're always here to help.